In this video, I'm going to teach you how to recover deleted videos from iPhone without using a computer. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to present two extremely easy and convenient methods to recover deleted videos from your albums or your library on any iPhone. So the very first thing that you should do if you have deleted a video recently is to check the recently deleted album. So go over to your library or photos, access the albums, and then scroll all the way down. At the bottom of your albums, you will have the utilities category, and one of these is going to be recently deleted. As the name suggests, in here you can find videos that have been recently deleted. Of course, they have to be deleted in a specific amount of time. So if you deleted them a while ago, it is unlikely that they will be available here, and this is where the second method will come into play. But like I said before, you should always check this first. So if you find the specific deleted video or photo in here, all that you have to do is select it and then recover. Now, if you look through the recently deleted and the specific file, video, photo is not available in here, then for the second method, go to iCloud.com using a web browser. So now instead of accessing your library through the standard app, go to iCloud.com. Sometimes a specific video might have been backed up to iCloud, which means that you can recover it onto your smartphone's storage. So you will download the video from iCloud even if it was deleted, because a copy will be available here. Inside of iCloud, sign in with your Apple account, and once you are signed in, you will see the option to access your photos from the website at iCloud.com. Tap the option to access your photos and then browse through them here. See if you can find them available in the main library. Sometimes, even if you deleted them, they will be available because they were uploaded to iCloud automatically. If they are not located here on iCloud, then once again you can go over to albums and also check the recently deleted. Now, if they are nowhere to be seen and you lost them both from your local storage and the iCloud backup, then sadly there is nothing else that you can do. To my knowledge, the video is permanently gone if it is not available in here. I hope I was able to help you on how to recover deleted videos from iPhone without computer. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.